Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to very quickly go through how I take notes when I'm just simply reading a bit of text. Whether you're reading a textbook or reading a research paper in preparation for your exams, this is how I go about it to make sure that I am taking in information, then also making some good notes for later on. Whatever you're reading, taking notes, even if there are sentences just a few words long, will make the reading that you're doing so much more active, and it's more likely that you're going to retain information about what you've read if you do that. When you're reading passively, you may have noticed that your concentration seems to drift away quite quickly, but then also after you finish reading 6-7 pages of text, you might not remember all the key points that were mentioned. So listen to these tips and make use of them.
So here I am writing some notes on a research paper that I need to analyse for a bit of coursework. As you can see, firstly, I'm using plain paper. Why am I using plain paper? Well, I really think that plain paper allows you to be quite creative with your notes. You can draw in diagrams freely, but also you can use the space as you wish. Some of you might prefer lined paper, but it really is personal preference. Secondly, if you look carefully, you can see that I am making notes very frequently. I am reading a line of text, I am understanding, alright, what is the key point that this sentence is saying, then I'm jotting down a quick few notes. When you do make notes, avoid reading a whole paragraph and then writing only a few words. Try and summarize each few sentences as you go along, and over time you make sure that you have a very representative set of notes that cover all the key points of the text you are reading. Thirdly, by going at this slightly slower pace, what I'm really making sure is that I'm understanding everything as I go along. If I decide to rush and read things quickly, then of course I'm going to start missing information, and then I'm bound to have to come back later and read all of this material again. So what I like to do is when I read something once, I try my best to understand it. Lastly, make sure you set yourself a goal when it comes to how many pages you want to read. Take regular breaks, drink lots of water, and make sure you try and read all you need to read in one sitting. Make those notes, then use them to revise effectively.
So I hope that video was useful on note taking. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, do comment down below. If you haven't yet followed my Instagram, please do. I'll put the link in the description down below. And yes, keep working hard guys, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Take care guys, bye bye.